हेलो गाइस, दर्शन नमस्ते। के छ खबर? सन्चै आरामै हुनुहुन्छ? आई थिङ्क सबैजना सन्चै आरामै हुनुहुन्छ होला। म पनि ठिकै सन्चै आरामै छु गाइज। आज चाहिँ लेट भयो है गाइज। के गर्ने, धेरै कामहरू गर्नुपर्छ एक टाइममा है। एउटै समयमा धेरै काम गर्दाखेरि लेट हुँदो रहेछ। अलिकति लेट भएको छ, छिटो जान्छु होइन। अनि छिटो गएर बसमा जानुपर्छ। सधैँको जस्तो ड्युटी हिँड्नु है गाइज। लेट त भइसक्यो तर केही छैन, पुग्नु पऱ्यो टाइममा है। बस छुट्यो भने त फेरि औडै हुन्छ। सो छिटो गएर होइन बस भेट्नुपर्छ। अनि आज चाहिँ मेरो लेग्स एन्ड कोर ट्रेनिङ हुन्छ है गाइज, विथ माई ब्रदर सायद। I don't think so he will come or not. We will see. I will see. If he is coming, okay. Why not? We are trained together. If he is not coming, it's okay. I am trained alone. त्यही हो गाइज है। अब म जाँदैछु बस स्टपसम्म। अनि भेट्छु म हजुरहरूलाई है त। फेरि पछि म भेट्नेछु है। अब जिममा पुगेर काम सकेपछि अनि हजुरहरूलाई भेट्ने छ है गाइजलाई। गाइज हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है, गर्मी त गर्मी नै छ। गर्मी सुरु भयो है। घाम यस्तो छ। आई थिङ्क 38, 39, 40 कति छ होला गर्मी। यस्तो छ है वेदर। ल गाइज, ल म चाहिँ त्यो सिग्नलबाट पारी जानुपर्छ है। Hey guys, welcome to my legs and core session guys. I just finished my warm up. After that I just do the warm up squats 40 kg 10 reps. You can see guys, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ I was go more deeper 90 degree. You can see guys, I did like always same 90 degree squats. It's much good, most important. After that I have to do the start my training 10 minutes minimum. Every minutes 100 kg 1 rep. You can see guys, because I use the belt but the belt is open it, so I use again the second round. You can see guys, slowly go down then up. Supposed to be I need to go more lower because this is the 100 kg. Not so easy to go deeper, but I was trying my best. This is the round 3. You can see guys, go slowly down then up. I just finished round 3, then this is the round 4. You can see slowly go down then up. It's like so easy looks like, but doing very hard guys. Whenever you carry the big weights, then heavy weights, supposed to be take care of yourself to go very slowly down then go faster up. So you can see guys, as always I was trying to do my best, and my goal supposed to be go more heavier squats because my body weight is 74. So I supposed to be can do the 150 squats. Let's see guys, day by day it's very progress my squats. You can see guys, looks teeny legs but it's strong legs. You guys also add your weekend training one day or legs, so it will be very good. You can see guys, so I always try to do the martial up. I couldn't make it. This is the second exercise for mine. 85 kg 5 reps squats. This is the deeper one. You can see guys, after you did 110 minutes 10 reps like 100 kg squats, after that very hard. You can see this is my second attempt for the martial up. Yes, I did it guys. I am very happy when I did my martial up. After a while, I think maybe 8 to 9 months I didn't make it, but finally I did it. Then I ate my workout like 10 single bar dips, then 10 pull-ups, because when I did the martial up, for me very easy to make it more other things like a single bar dips, then pull-ups. So easy. You can see guys, this is my second round for my workout. 85 kg 5 reps 90 degree deeper 5 reps. Oh my god. So guys, you can see हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है, not so easy guys, doing very hard, but of course you want to do it because when I start my training I never gonna be back up. So this is my third attempt for the martial up. Let's go. Yes, I did it guys. After that I have third workout for my legs workout, I ate deadlift. This one also 85 kg, guys. Not so easy. 85 kg, 10 reps. Looks like so easy, guys, but very heavy, because without belt you need to carry 85 kg, then go down, like not so easy, है guys. तर हजुरहरूले पनि slowly step by step try गर्नुभयो भने of course हजुरहरूको पनि हुन्छ है. I think I remember myself when I start the deadlift, I never did like very well, but day by day I did very good. Then I have like superset for 2 workout the same timing, deadlift, then Bulgarian squats, Bulgarian lunges. 2 times I did it. Then after that I have to do the hip thrust. This is the 70 kg, which is I carry very low weights, because mostly I can carry 100 or 90 kg for hip thrust, but because I feel like okay, why not go slowly, so that's why you can see. After that I just made myself to the superset. That's why I just put myself hip thrust, not so heavy weight. So goblet squats 20 kg, 10 reps. So it means like a 20 reps one time. It's not so easy, it's not so heavy. When you do it, these things, you feel like easier. So you can see, guys, this is my second round. Yes, here we go, guys. After that I wait for 10 seconds off, because every time when you finish 10 reps, then if you hold more 10 seconds off, the next timing you can do it much better. This is your workout, setup, always how you do it. You can see, guys, this is too deeper. My coach always tell me that when you go to the squats, goblet squat or squats, go deeper, because hey guys, finally today I just finished my legs workout, guys. See you the next time, guys. See you. Keep loving, keep supporting, guys. See you the next time.